I, JCI member Sam Tang Pu.
I, JCI member Rachel Chua Xiao Bing.
I, JCI member Adrian Chong Ming Sin.
I, JCI members Brian Teh Seh Guan.
I, JCI member Michael Tan.
I, JCI member Xiao Yong Hok. I, JCI member Jason Leong.
I, JCI member Ramesh.
Do solemnly affirm that I will faithfully execute the office of Chapter President,
Treasurer,
Vice President International for Chapter,
Vice President Community.
Vice President
General Legal Counsel. Vice President Business.
of JCI Kuala Lumpur, and will do the best of my ability to serve as a living example of this organization's philosophy and belief, and will uphold and enforce the constitution of this organization at all times.
Once again, congratulations.